Welcome back, hustlers. Today's video is going to be a game changer as we dive into the intriguing world of wealth and explore 5 habits that rich people possess but are often overlooked by others. It's essential to understand that achieving financial success is not just about luck or inheritance, but involves adopting certain mindsets and behaviors that differentiates the rich from the rest. By studying and implementing these habits, you can move closer to your financial goals and lead a more fulfilling life. So, let's get started. Number 1. Emphasizing long-term goals. One of the key differentiators of rich people is their unwavering focus on long-term goals. While many people tend to prioritize immediate gratification, wealthy individuals understand the power of delayed gratification and sacrifice. They invest their time, energy, and resources in endeavors that may not yield quick results, but have the potential for exponential growth over time. We will explore the concept of setting clear, measurable, and realistic financial goals, breaking them down into smaller milestones and creating actionable plans to achieve them. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of financial education and continuous learning to adapt to changing circumstances and leverage opportunities for financial growth. Number 2. Diversifying investments. Rich people seldom put all their eggs in one basket when it comes to investments. Diversification is a crucial strategy that helps mitigate risks and enhances the potential for high returns. We will delve into various investment options including stocks, real estate, bonds, mutual funds, and alternative investments like startups or cryptocurrencies. Moreover, we will discuss the significance of seeking professional financial advice and the role of a well-balanced portfolio in securing financial stability. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and understanding the relationship between risk and reward is essential for building substantial wealth. Number 3. Mastering the art of budgeting. Budgeting is often the foundation of financial success. Rich people tend to be meticulous in tracking their income, expenses, and cash flow. We will delve into the importance of creating a budget, how to allocate funds efficiently, and identifying areas for potential savings. Furthermore, we will explore the concept of living below one's means and avoiding excessive consumerism. Saving and investing surplus income can pave the way for financial independence and the opportunity to capitalize on profitable ventures. Number 4. Leveraging time and productivity. Time is a non-renewable resource, and the way we use it directly impacts our financial success. Rich people understand the value of time management and productivity, which allows them to maximize their efforts and achieve more in less time. We will discuss effective time management techniques, setting priorities, and avoiding distractions that hinder progress. Additionally, we will examine the significance of developing skills that are in demand and finding innovative ways to leverage these skills for income generation. Number 5. Building and nurturing networks. Successful people recognize the power of relationships and networking. Building a strong network can lead to valuable opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship that can significantly influence one's financial trajectory. We will explore how rich people cultivate meaningful relationships, attend networking events, and engage in philanthropic activities to expand their circle. Moreover, we will discuss the importance of giving back to the community and the satisfaction that comes from making a positive impact on the lives of others. In conclusion, the habits of rich people are not some secret formula, but a combination of mindset, discipline, and strategic planning. By adopting these 5 habits, you can move closer to achieving financial success. Remember, consistency and perseverance are essential on this journey, and each small step you take today will lead to a brighter financial future tomorrow. So, start incorporating these habits into your life, and let's make wealth creation a reality for all of us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.